Welcome back to the vlog. I just got the decals. This is for the brake calipers. I actually came like 6 of them. These are the big ones. Then like a medium size 2 of them, and then a small size 2 of them. So I saved this one because they were too big for my calipers, even for the front ones. So I went and used the medium ones, and I used the small ones, and I just installed them. I just put it right there. That's the medium size. They look super dope. I will leave the link in the description. They're pretty good. Pretty good decal. Pretty sticky. And it's for the heat too. So I put the mediums there, and I put the small ones in the back. You can see that right there. And they fit perfectly, man. I'm glad I ordered the whole 6-pack with different sizes, cause if I would've get this, it would've been like too big. So I might do something else with this. I don't know, I might put it like in the engine somewhere or something. I'm definitely figuring something out with this. I don't know, maybe I do a tattoo of them on my arm or something. Nah, I'm kidding, no tattoo. But yeah, they look pretty dope. I paint the calipers myself. I paint the brake pads and everything. I did it right there on the. I didn't took them out, so when I change the brake pad, this won't be blue anymore. But it look pretty good. It look pretty good. And I put the overlay black on the symbol too. Man, they look nice. But anyway, that's the video for today. I leave the link in the description. And the caliper, I just got this paint right here. Let me show you. I ordered it online. I use this caliper, and I ordered it online because I went to Walmart and they just had red, but I didn't want red, I want blue. And I'm happy with the color. The color is pretty nice. So this is the one. If I found the link, I will leave it in the description too for the can. But anyway, that's the video for today. Color match. The blue on the middle of the lines, it matched right perfect with the blue on the can. But yeah, if you got any question, leave it in the comment section. Until the next one, please subscribe and hit the like button. Hit that bell if you want to know when I upload videos. I try to do it every week. All right, so be safe out there, and